Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to present our video. I am Rablinson Martin Osorio Gomez. I am 3 years old. I am corporal and my co-worker is professional soldier in the Colombian Army. My principal function is commander. Then I will show you some things about my company, Colombian Army. There are 4 offices. The most important thing is the personal office.
Okay, Mr. Osorio, can you tell me where is the personal office?
It is our in past unit.
Okay, why do people like it?
Because they can find solution to their problems.
Okay.